Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today in this video, I'll explain what Google Meet is and through step by step how to use it for your online meetings, classes or video calls. Let's get started. Google Meet is a free video conferencing app from Google. It lets you host or join virtual meetings with features like high quality video and audio, screen sharing, chat messaging, live captions and easy integration with Google Calendar and Gmail. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app if you haven't. So go to the App Store, then search Google Meet on the search bar at the top of the page, and after this icon pops up, tap on that, and then tap on install and then open up your app. Sign in with the Google account. Once signed in, you'll see the main dashboard with options to new meeting or join with a code. To start your own meeting, tap on the new meeting icon at the bottom of the page right here. So tap on that. Then you'll get three options: create a meeting, link to share with others right here, then start an instant meeting to begin right away, or schedule right here in Google Calendar for a later time. Once the meeting starts, you'll see controls to turn your mic and camera on or off. To join someone else's meeting, tap join with a code, enter the meeting code or link you received, then tap join and you'll be connected. Inside the meeting, you'll find useful controls at the bottom: mic or unmute yourself, camera button, you can turn your video on or off, then also you can raise your hand to signal without interrupting. You can also send messages to participants, and you can share your screen for slides or documents, and the leave button to exit the meeting. You can use live captions to see subtitles in real time. You can switch between grid view or spotlight view to change how participants appear, and if you are the host, you can admit, mute or remove participants. And that is how you can use Google Meet app step by step. It is free, simple and a great way to connect online. I hope you guys found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment down if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Bye.